Think you've seen every tool for woodworking? Not quite. Some tools don't just help you finish a project, they save you time, prevent costly mistakes, and even keep you safer in the shop. The best part. Many of them are surprisingly affordable and can fit into almost any workshop. Let's walk through 20 tools that will make you rethink how you build, cut, measure, and create. 1. The 4-in-1 Positioning Ruler. Most rulers just measure. This one measures, drills, levels, and marks, all in a single tool. It's built from aluminum alloy with bubble levels for accuracy and markings that won't fade. Imagine hanging a set of shelves. Instead of juggling a tape, a level, and a pencil, you grab this one ruler and finish the job in minutes. 2. The Titanium Oscillating Blade. Standard blades burn out fast when they hit nails or screws. A titanium oscillating blade can cut through wood, metal, and fasteners without dulling right away. Its wavy tooth design reduces heat, so it lasts longer and cuts cleaner. If you remodel often, this saves money by lasting twice as long as regular blades. 3. The Bionic Wrench. One tool, 14 wrench sizes. It grips bolts from all sides instead of slipping off the corners. That means no more rounded off heads or scraped knuckles. Whether you're tightening a copper fitting or loosening a stubborn steel bolt, this wrench adapts instantly. 4. Contour Gauge for irregular shapes. Cutting flooring around pipes or corners often wastes boards. A contour gauge copies the exact shape. Press it against the surface, trace, cut, and you're done. Builders use them for trim work, tile edges, and even wallpaper. It's like carrying a shortcut for any odd shape. 5. Cordless Nanoblade Saw. Freehand cutting usually gives rough edges. This cordless saw uses a nanoblade that produces straight, vibration-free cuts. No clamps, no wobble. You can cut wood or plastic with almost no prep. For dyers without a full workshop setup, it's a clean way to make pro-level cuts. 6. Featherboard Safety Tool. Kickback on a table saw is one of the top causes of shop injuries. A featherboard solves this by pressing the wood firmly against the fence, keeping your hands safer and your cuts smoother. The spiral design locks into place with a single knob, so adjustments take seconds instead of minutes. 7. Sharpening System with Honing Guide. A dull chisel is unpredictable and dangerous. A sharpening jig with a honing guide locks the blade at the perfect angle, paired with a whetstone for fine results. Even beginners can sharpen consistently. A sharp edge doesn't just cut cleaner, it gives you control and keeps your hands out of harm's way. 8. Multifunction Scribing Tool. This is more than a pencil. It adjusts into 15 different shapes to mark straight lines, curves, or corners with accuracy. Machined from aluminum, it won't flex under pressure. Perfect for tiling or custom paneling where layouts must be exact. 9. Carpenter's Deep Reach Pencil. Most pencils break or can't reach tight spaces. This set comes with a 45mm extended tip, thick leads in multiple colors, and a built-in sharpener. You can mark inside deep holes or corners where normal pencils can't. For carpenters, it's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. 10. Fortress Ladder Workstation. Climbing ladders while holding paint and tools is risky. This ladder adds stability with wide steps, built-in handrails, and trays for tools. It folds flat for storage but locks into place like heavy-duty scaffolding. It turns ladder work from a balancing act into a stable platform. 11. Compact Chainsaw. Traditional chainsaws are heavy and loud. A compact cordless version weighs just a few pounds but still cuts thick branches quickly. Great for pruning, firewood, or backyard cleanup. With a safety lock and heat protection, it's designed for everyday use without the intimidation factor. 12. Magnetic Wristband. Ever dropped screws while working overhead? This wristband solves that. It has 10 strong magnets that hold nails, bits, and washers right where you need them. Saves time climbing up and down ladders and keeps small parts from rolling away mid-project. 13. Modular Pergola System. Want a backyard upgrade? These steel brackets let you build a pergola with just standard lumber. Choose wall-mounted or freestanding designs, add shade or keep it open. It's customizable. Unlike store-bought kits, you can expand it later or repair it easily because the lumber is standard. 14. Chamfer Plane. Sharp edges on wood can splinter or ruin a finish. A chamfer plane trims edges smoothly with adjustable depth and carbon steel blades. Built-in bubble levels help you keep lines straight. It's a small tool, but it saves hours of sanding and improves the look of every project. 15. Pocket Hole Jig XL. Joining 2x4s or 4x4s is tough with clamps alone. This jig drills angled holes so screws pull boards together tightly without gaps. Perfect for decks, benches, and furniture frames. The process is quick. Drill, drive, done. Strong, simple, and repeatable. 16. Flex Shaft Screwdriver. Some screws hide in impossible places. A flex shaft screwdriver twists and bends into those tight corners. With rechargeable power, 360-degree rotation, and a built-in light, it turns impossible screws into quick fixes. Great for furniture assembly or car repairs. 17. Rotary Toolkit. Few tools are as versatile. With a 160-watt motor reaching 33,000 RPM, this rotary tool handles grinding, sanding, drilling, polishing, engraving, you name it. It comes with 145 attachments, making it one of the most complete kits for detailed work. 18. Folding LED Work Light. Shadows make mistakes more likely. This folding LED light outputs up to 1200 lumens, with a rotating base that angles light exactly where you need it. Rechargeable, impact-resistant, and water-resistant. It works in basements, garages, and even outdoors. 19. Precision Edge Sharpener. Keeping edges sharp saves both time and money. A precision sharpener lets you tune chisels, plane blades, and knives with consistency. By maintaining sharp tools, you avoid ruined cuts and extend the life of expensive steel. 20. The Workshop Mindset. Every tool here solves a specific problem: accuracy, safety, efficiency, or durability. The real upgrade isn't just buying a gadget. It's building a workshop that works with you, not against you. A woodworker once said, "The right tool at the right time isn't a luxury. It's the difference between frustration and satisfaction." These 20 tools prove that woodworking doesn't have to be slow, dangerous, or wasteful. Each one removes a barrier, whether that's shaky measurements, unsafe cuts, or wasted time. With the right gear, your workshop becomes more than a place to build. It becomes a place to create with confidence.